Introducing the Wipro 16, a Wi-Fi smart plug with energy monitoring. This smart plug is suitable for large appliances like geysers, microwave ovens, and air conditioners. It also works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Rated 4.2 stars by over 18,500 users and a #1 bestseller, the Wipro smart plug offers energy monitoring, voice control, and is designed for large appliances. Over 1,000 units were bought in the past month. Get the Wipro 16, a Wi-Fi smart plug with energy monitoring at a special price. Features include energy monitoring, setting schedules, voice control, easy installation, and compatibility with heavy appliances. Transform your home into a smart home with the Wipro smart plug. Its features include energy monitoring, remote control, and scheduling. Automate everything. Take control of your home appliances, from refrigerators to washing machines, with the Wipro smart plug. Control your devices from anywhere using the Wipro Smart Home app. Simply set a schedule to automatically turn your devices on and off at specified times, making it easy to set it and forget it. Stay ahead of your bills by monitoring energy consumption and saving big. Go hands-free with simple voice control, compatible with devices like Alexa. Smarten up any device at home. The Wipro Smart Plug provides control from anywhere, Wi-Fi control, an on/off button, and the ability to set schedules.